Subscribe your own channel. Don vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Repository, noun.
वो जगह जहाँ चीजें बग़र्ज़ हिफाजत रखी जाएं. तोशाखाना, खजाना, मखज़न, डिपो, गोदाम, अंबार.
A repository is a place where things are stored or kept. Synonyms for repository: storehouse, warehouse, depository, cache, hoard. Antonyms for repository: removal, withdrawal, extraction, dispersal. Example sentences using the word repository. 1. The museum's repository holds a vast collection of ancient artifacts. 2. The company's data repository is used to store important documents and information. 3. The library serves as a repository for books, manuscripts, and other materials related to research and study. 4. The company's repository of spare parts is essential for maintaining the equipment. 5. The repository of knowledge and information available on the internet is vast and constantly growing. For more videos, subscribe your own channel. Don vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.